What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascend. Right now, up on the screen, I have the TOTAL3, which is the crypto altcoin market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And a couple important things to note. Right now, this week, we are busting above this upper trend line that's held us down since October of last year. So some great news there as we're finally starting to peak above it. It's only Wednesday, so there's still, 4 days left in this week, but it is a very positive sign. You can see that this has done a pretty good job building a base here over the last couple months, has not dipped below that low back there the first week of February. So some great news that we're finally starting to pop out of this. Obviously, still a long way to go. But again, you can see last week it tried to break out and closed inside of it. So we know that there is a lot of sellers in that area, but right now, busting above. The other thing, too, to pay attention to is we're getting to a pretty pivotal point here when it comes to the RSI. Above 60 is bullish. What we want is some weaving like this. Price action typically follows. All right, so this is an area where we could get rejected and roll back over. But the way things are looking in the rest of the market right now, it certainly looks like by the end of this week, we should pop through there and be up into bullish territory. Additionally, we have a bullish cross on the MACD this week. Love to see that as well, some positive green momentum. So again, still 4 days out from the daily close, but we have a lot of good things happening right now across the board in financial markets. So looking at this guy as well, where did it build a base? If we zoom out, I'm going to pull this over here from the 2021 high. And you can see we found support right here on the 0.5 fibs. Guys, fibs are incredible. If you don't know them, study them. It's totally worth it. If I can only use one tool, that would be it. But you look and you can see that a full extension gets us up there just shy of 4 trillion, sitting here at 740 billion right now. But that's also connecting the tops up in that area. We have a little bit of confluence, again, from the 4236, but also connecting the outermost wicks on an upper trend line there. So I think there are a few really fun months ahead of us. We're kind of just, at the beginning of it now. Should start to see a little bit of volume here for alts as they start to pop off. And we see other risk on assets, the Russell 2000 running right now in new all-time highs. Guys, this stuff typically lags, but when the Russell breaks out convincingly, crypto typically goes. That's a risk on environment, and that is right where we're at. So just wanted to share this chart with you so you guys could see what was going on. I haven't looked at these yet. You got the 50, the 100 moving averages coming in up here as resistance, but you do have some support at the 200-week SMA down here. So still got a little ways to go, but these are the early signs of something great developing here in the altcoin market. So with that being said, guys, if you want to go deeper, join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord channel, and I teach you how to do TA. You get your first month 50% off. Link to that in my bio. If not, I just really appreciate you guys being here. If you could follow, like, repost, I want to get this out to as many people as I can. So again, appreciate you being here, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.